Wake up, Wahai!
Hey, how you guys doing? It's it's not Mr. Higgins, it's the masked Blue Devil, or maybe it's, I don't know, Mr. Wahai. Oh no, that's already been taken too. Hope you're hanging in there. We're heading towards this home stretch on there. I need you to get in your Google Classroom, get some stuff taken care of, minimum of 3 times a week, get some stuff done. Each of your classes 3 times a week, and make sure your grades are not dropping more than 20% from what they were on March 17th. Do those 2 things, grade carries over. You gotta do that at least though, okay? We don't want any incompletes out there. You're strong, you're smart, and you're good looking, you guys. You guys can do it, Blue Devils. Go Wahai!
Hey guys, Megan Harvey, ASB President, back with another video.
Hey Wahai, it's Sydney, and I know we've been at online school for a couple of months now, but we got it.
I just wanted to talk about my favorite memories from Wahai, and one of my favorite memories has been being a part of ASB and having a support group and a little family. And I highly encourage you guys to look into ASB or join the group or club that you've been thinking about joining or you're interested in. It makes high school so much more enjoyable to be a part of something.
So a few things that shaped me at Wahai have been sports. I have been involved in tennis and swimming, and I loved both of the sports. Mr. Peck was an awesome tennis coach, and he's always super enthusiastic and inviting. I also loved ASB, and I've been involved for 3 years now. And Mr. Mackay has just been always super enthusiastic and always willing to help with whatever you might need.
Have a great rest of the week. Keep up on your schoolwork. Hang in there, guys. We are getting close to the end. Bye!
I'm in my cap and gown now, getting ready to go take some pictures. I hope you guys have a great week.
Hola chicos, it's Mr. Martin here. I, first of all, want to wish you a happy Cinco de Mayo. Second, I just wanted you to know that I'm going to teach you how to make homemade corn tortillas. Now, for me, step 1, wear something from Mexico. So I'm wearing my Mexico soccer jersey. And 2, the other ingredient that you'll need is this stuff right here. It's called the masa harina. And you can pretty much buy that in any Mexican food store or Mexican food section in the grocery store. Now that combined with water and a few other simple steps, and you'll be able to make these delicious homemade corn tortillas. You need 2 cups of masa harina. Here's 1. Okay, and then next, you're going to add 2 cups of water. You're going to knead this with your hands. So you're going to mix the masa harina and the water together. And it should, right now at first it gets kind of sticky, but the longer you mix it up, it should turn into a very pliable dough. Once you've kneaded the dough into like a nice pliable roll, you are supposed to cover it with some saran wrap, just like this. And you just let it sit for 30 minutes. I've went ahead and rolled up some balls of dough. I also bought these. These came with this press that I use here. And so basically, I made these balls of different sizes because honestly, I have never made these before. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put one of these here, put one of these right here. Oops, like this. Then you smash it. And you go like this. And there you have a tortilla. This is my last tortilla right here on the grill. As you can see, I got a nice little stack of homemade corn tortillas. This is my first tortilla off the grill. And like I used to back in the old days, I'll put a little butter on it, like I did at my grandma's when I was a kid. Fold it over and enjoy.
Hey, Wake Up Wahai, this is Jerry. What's been going on with everyone? How's everyone holding up? Because we want to know what's been going on with you guys. So if you can, please record yourself in selfie mode and send in a 30-second clip to asayers@wwps.org, or you can text it to 509-540-2330. Thanks.
Hey Wahai, this is David. I hope you guys are finding ways to keep yourself busy during this time. Let's cut to a spoken word from Wahai staff.
One word can spark a moment. One flower can wake the dream. One tree can start a forest. One bird can herald spring.
One smile can bring a friendship. One hand clasp can lift a soul. One star can guide a ship at sea. One cheer can obtain a goal.
One vote can change a nation. One sunbeam can lift a room. One candle wipes out darkness. One laugh will conquer gloom. One look can change 2 lives. One kiss can make love bloom.
One step must start each journey. One word must start each prayer. One hope can raise our spirits. One touch can show you care.
One voice can speak with wisdom.
One heart can know what's true.
One life can make a difference.
One life is me and you.
And now to a special clip with Andrew Sayers about the YRT Challenge.
Hey Wahai, this is Andrew Sayers. I'm so excited to talk to you guys about the YRT Challenge this week. I'm asking Wahai, Pioneer, Lincoln, and Garrison students to send in an art design with a positive message that we're going to send to the county. They're going to pick their 6 favorite, and we're going to print them out and put them posters all around town and yards and everything. So the idea is to write a positive message like, you've got what it takes, you got this. Go ahead and put a positive message. Email it to asayers@wwps.org, my email address, or text it to my number 509-540-2330, and we'll put it in the challenge. Thank you guys so much. You're amazing.